Ever thought about having a shortcut to viewing your repair shop inventory? Or searching for a specific item and instantly adding it to the cart? RepairDesk's all-new advanced search feature offers the flexibility of navigating through your inventory with your own search criteria. Here's how it works. From your POS screen, press Ctrl and S on Windows or Command and S on Mac to initiate advanced search. In the high-level pop-up of advanced search, go to the search criteria drop-down in the top right corner. Here, you can select up to 5 criteria, including item name, item identifier, brand, model, and supplier by checking the respective boxes. From the left panel, you can select any product category to filter your search results and find the right product quickly. To search for products from a specific brand, simply type the brand name in the brand search bar. You can even save your brand-specific search as a filter that can simplify your future searches. Simply click on the Save Filter button in the bottom right of the screen and enter a name for the filter. Then, click Save. Under Save Filters in the left panel, you can simply click on the filter to view Samsung products. What's more, the advanced search feature offers another drop-down menu that lets you narrow down your search with 3 general filters. From this drop-down, you can select from products, parts, and trade-in to search in the right category and save time. From the list, you can view the number of each product in inventory, its price, and add an item to cart. Now searching for your desired items is easier than ever before with the RepairDesk Advanced Search feature.